All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on, everybody? I'm a little bit late to the stream. I've been sitting here for a minute, but sometimes I get a little too comfortable when I get to the office super early, and I end up lacking when, when it's time for the open. But mentally, I'm great. So, I think the obvious ones are pretty clear for everybody. ARTL been going crazy. I see it's halted down. What's up, OG? Michael Don's trading. Yeah, I know, man. I really want to go live like 15 minutes before the open. I'm gonna try to do that from now on. Three Pony. Trendline Trey in the building. Leon, what's good? All right. Yeah, this thing, I mean, it needed to. It's up pretty good. Yeah, you see that I'm telling you, IPDN. Yeah, I got that up too. Got that up too. Where my rules at, man? Hold up. Hold up. Got nothing without the rules. Buy off the bottom trade. IP. Ooh, wait. That thing is rolling now. All right. Pretty clear trend line to draw right here, eh? Something like that, eh? Yeah. Ooh, there she goes. There she goes. Definitely got the EMA reset. That's significant. I mean, really, we got that down here. I'm not in it yet. What's up, bro? Nah, I'm not in it. ARTL open, holding up really nicely, just trading like, some nice price action, to be honest. Man, is that looking clean or what? I need confirmation because look. Oh wow, it's halted back up now. What was the previous day price? Yo, what up, King? I'm watching the wrong stock. What you watching, OG? We buy. The only thing even close to an entry is IPDN. for me. And I don't even know. Yeah, those are my 3 stocks. Well, I don't have Webuy. That daily on Webuy is atrocious. Yeah. It would only be tradable above 993. Yeah. Only. And it seems to like to reject that level. Yeah. Yeah, I feel that. BMNR to 20. I think it'd be pretty easy if it could hold over pre-market high for sure. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the like button, please. Hit the like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. Hmm. This had at one point been a complicated decision, but now it has become easy thanks to the concept of Billy. Shout out Billy. Trendline Treasy, Rolling Wolf. No sorry, Bob. Not gonna get to me. Slap in the face, bro. In the face. Yeah, yeah, it's way up, Leon. It's way up. Daily's looking good today, man. Daily's looking good. Appreciate you checking on me. There's no high volume resistance anywhere on IPDN. BMNR gapped up pretty much over. Yeah, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. And then, yeah, everything's looking good, man. We're looking good. What hammer? What you on, the 2? Talking about this guy right here? Yeah, it's got to come down, Rob. That thing up there, man. Come on down. Come on down to 10 left. 10 left was one time. 10 left. 10 left. All right, now that's high enough. That's enough. That's enough. Hold your horses. ARTO back open. Looking pretty nice right there. Pretty nice right there. Yeah. I was listening to this Ross video over the weekend. He was talking about how seems like they've been manipulating the spreads because the spreads are tighter in pre-market, and at the open when there's more volume, the spreads have been wider. Thinks it's some algos. Said bye bye. That's the end right there. Right, exactly. What's up with that? Money in the bank. Well, Billy's happy now. Maybe you should call it a day. Looking good. It's got to be a red candle at some point. No, it's definitely not wishful thinking. It's definitely going to have a red candle at some point. That's a definite reality, I would say. Definitely. Yeah, bro. Hey, man, roll with it, bro. Roll with it. That's a nice number, man. I ain't seen one of those in a minute. The thing holding that little pre-market high volume area right here, real nice. That $20. $20. Nice. Just depends, Red Devil. Just depends. Does swing trading make sense to you, Red Devil? Nah. Makes sense now. Mm-hmm. I already know, Knives. What's up, bro? Black Beauty Machine. SPLG, no stress. What, you shorting this thing or something? Mm-hmm. Well, I guess the kind of direction I was leading to with that question was that, we have different tolerances, right? Like, some people can't hold a stock very long. Like, they just like feel super inclined to sell and like have trouble holding the targets. They just really want to sell. And then you have some people who have a hard time selling, and they're always diamond handing it, holding for the home run, and so some things we try to change about ourselves, and then some things we adjust our strategy to accommodate, you know, and because I like to hold stocks longer, I trade on a higher time frame, and the entries on that time frame just require a little more time, man. Thanks, Trey. Yeah, like I was trading on the one and I was taking all those entries that you talk about, but I wouldn't have sold by now because I'm waiting for a high of day or a pre-market high, and the stops that I was using just wasn't going to work to get me that high. And so I just found a strategy that worked for me, possibly, sometimes. That's funny, Leon, because KLTO is like saved as my last save. So every time I open my platform the last couple of days, I see KLTO, and I saw it moving around this morning. Nice. Now, the question is this thing viable now? Got slapped pretty hard up there. Highest volume of the day type slap. But if you look at it on the one, it's still pretty nasty. All strategies only work sometimes. Right. Throw some volume out there. 2 cent too high. Dang, ARTL still halted. It's not bad looking. It looks like she ready. What up, HH? TOS issues. That's kind of what I want to see. Little penetration. ARTL back open over there. Man, yeah, it looked like that thing was gonna roll.
Order filled.
Yeah. Think I might have to sit through another little baby pullback on the one. Hopefully baby pullback. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I got some hopes for BMNR for sure. $465 is VWAP. High of day, 494. Nice. That's what's up, brown dog. There's 450s. Come on, baby. Squeeze on up there. Squeeze on up there. Uh, 385. Yeah, that's just the first little pop on the one. Shoot. Yeah. I like that we got the higher high from this high at the open. Makes me feel like we got a better chance of at least double topping rather than putting in a lower high. That's what's up, Uncle Paul. Coming through with the good news today. Oh, snaps. Man, you messing with BMNR over there, Leon? Got the 2 candle pullback on the 15. That 15 is worth buying alone right there, man. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. What's up, RJ? Man, entry was super tight to the EMA though. Like that's like right where I want to be getting in at. My stop is below the EMA, below the whole dollar. If it break down like that, it's just raggedy. Yeah, that's where I got my stop, Rob. My whole position is based on that candle. Entry over the top, stop under the low. Get out where I got that at. In my rules. Oh, that's funny. Thank you, sir. I was testing y'all. All of you failed except RJ. Yeah, man. BMNR, bro. That was the nice candle, Leon. What you mean? Yo, bro. That was the nicest 5 minute candle I ever saw. These two low volume candles. Ooh. Starting to like this chart more and more and more. Especially back over 463. Oh boy. Oh boy. What you mean, HH? Oh, I got you. I got you. 10 calories. You know, I like these are the monk fruit Red Bulls that are sweetened with monk fruit. I mean, I don't know how much better that really makes it, but it made me feel better about it. So I've only been buying the monk fruit ones. And they're only 10 calories also. Dang, there goes BM and R, man. What a beautiful setup. Beautiful. The 15 was there. Like that's what you want right there, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm over here struggling. It's looking bad. Very observant there, Red Devil. Very observant. Very keen. Keen of you there. Yeah, I was worried that might be a lower high. Starting to look like an ad over 450. Or a slap incoming. Where's the buyers? Man, there's another nice little fiver making building up over here. Oh, it's just opened up. This is what the 1 minute chart looks like. Looks horrible. It looks horrible. The buyer's already sold. Well, I ain't sell yet. Man, BMNR over 17. ARTL down to 19. What's up, George? Had a pretty good weekend. Busy, busy, but productive. So it was cool. No, I just went through my journal a lot. Went back and looked at my red days from last month and contemplated on those. I think most of them were avoidable. I'm sorry, Red Devil. Did you want like a day in the life from wake up to sleep? I was actually responding to Knives' specific question. What's up, waiting? Nah, you still gonna be waiting, bro. Still waiting. Yeah. Yeah, was that April? No, May. That was May. Yeah. I was struggling June, man. Struggling this month. Um, I think we're gonna be good for July though. Yeah, I'm in a super small account, and I had a couple sizable red days, and it just after some sizable green days, and it just kind of made things difficult. Oh, we looking real interesting now, folks. Entry starting to look kind of sniperish. Let's see what happens here. See what happens. So the add-on right there, man. Woo-wee. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Yo, what up, Jack? How we doing today, man? Were you in that on BMNR Leon? ARTL with the bounce to the EMA. Bounce. Ain't no way. 1492. That's what's up. You get you some 16s? I know you got some 16s. Nice. That's awesome. It is time. Let us go from here. Man, BMNR looking strong now. Yee. Dang. Dang. Wow. Man. Yeah, he is. Definitely doesn't feel like a fan. I should have paid a little more heed to that one. Bro, it's like I was up $20 at one time too. Like it just yeah, I should I'm this big red candle here. Pretty it just seemed like it wanted to hold, but it's still a pretty strong flag there. I don't know what to make of this. 44,000. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the day is still young for sure. For sure. Wow. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, ARTL is definitely not it. Yeah, do you have a line drawn through this right here with your entry tray? Man. Yeah, that's why I didn't trade it too. You in there too, HH? Stop me out by 1 penny. Dirty rat. Dirty rat. Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing is a rock star right now. This thing got a 50 cent spread. Alt level. Down is 1666. Dum dum dum. Up is 2056. I've just been doing low floats, George. This is so weak. Yeah, definitely under a billion. Diddy guilty? I don't know, man. They're getting a little smaller though. Europa. Europa. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, that's true. You gotta enter with a limit. Man, ARTL looks great on the higher time frames for sure. 15, pretty nice. Hmm. Wow. Back over 2050. Sheesh. Best trade of the month on the last day of the month. Wow. No more thinking now, huh? Wow. Man. Headed to 22. It's still not halted. There it is. Pretty amazing. Nice trade, Red Devil. I'm watching all three of them, man. I'm watching ARTL, BMNR, and IPDN. Yeah, I feel that. I see some revenge cooking up over here on IPDN. I see what I did wrong on this. I just didn't want to say anything because you guys don't accept my self criticism. But this is what we call a sell signal here. Highest volume of the day, big red candle, back slammed into the EMA. Should have waited for the whole setup again, which probably would have caused me to yeah, I would have had to wait for a higher high, which had yet to come. Yep, I did. I was on the hope sauce at that point. Gap fill to 105. Yeah, no doubt. I'm grabbing the strap. Golly. I just need a red candle over here on ARTL. Yeah, something like that. Maybe even two of them. On ARTL? Yeah, I'll take that. Man, this look like the price right here. Or your money back. Mm-hmm. How that 411 work out? Slappage. Yeah, that sucks. Be like that sometimes. Sheesh. Yeah, that mug is dead. Back in on the dip. Oh, is Red Devil G.I. Joe, Rob? I thought you was talking to Paul this whole time. That's a little too much red candle right there, buddy. A little too much red candle. It's not what we talked about. The dip. It's holding that little trend line a little bit. 0.2 R. Yeah. Halt down on ARTL. This thing here, man. Or 30. Arg, I'm mad I took this trade now. It's settling in. Find some more. It's kind of minding this little trend line here. Gotta love the hammers. Nothing else to look at right now. Just as pointless as watching this go up to the moon without me. Yeah, I caught wait, Saturday? I caught it like a little bit. I saw the highlights. I think I watched maybe the two fights before the Jake Paul fight. The Jake Paul fight, they actually had some really good fights on that card though. It's not focused. There's nothing. There's nothing. Oh, UFC. No, I missed it. I missed it. I forgot. I was intending to flip back and forth, but I forgot. Yeah, you're right. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. We got time. Not really. Yeah, we got time. We got time. Something could happen. You clocking that? Did it make another low? It's still holding 356. If he put his stop under this candle, it'd still be all right. MPU. Whoa. Yo. You guys be rolling off that higher day scanner, huh? Okay, here you go, Red Devil. Buying more, he said. um, Man, the 15 below the EMA. That joint is done so. Yeah. 386. Okay. He said I could show you better than I could tell you. $380 is your average. Man. That's a lot of shares, dude. How's your average 380? I know, like the whole time you're sitting in it. The pain. I guess if it just don't matter though, it's no big deal. Need that 375 break. 378, okay. Oh, okay. So your last was super conviction there at the end. Wow. Leon, bro. Is this dreamland? You got that 25, bro. Oh, and beyond. Hey, man. The higher it goes, the more it looked like it came close enough to the EMA for me to trade it. Like, like how did I miss it? Why am I not in this thing again? How does this not fit my setup? Not selling anything. 27, huh? Dang, boy, ARTL got to be on a double halt at this point. Yeah. Uh-huh. 100K day. Yeah, that's wild. Hey man, everybody put prayer hands in the chat for Red Devil. We need He needs our help. We need some hope. The bounce could be incredible though. Right there, walking that line. I mean, could it be down way down there? Under 56? It could be. Hey, what's up, Signature? Yeah. I'm just really surprised to see the SPY as high as it is, though, Signature. $293. 354. Yep. That's why I figured it would have to be. Hope you get this break over 375. Maybe a little pop up before. About the same, Signature. -1 R. It's been very hot here in Kansas City. About the same. Wow. Well, one dumb trade on IPDN. I had some hope that she might come back to life. Here we go. Here we go. All right, brown dog. Same here, brown dog. Take it easy, man. All right, job. It definitely ain't over till it's over. Stop loss for the win. Come on, one time. You gotta take out 375. Yep. I hope you get to where you going, because that's get me closer to where I'm trying to get. Practicing law. I've been paid. Here we go. The flush will be amazing. Yeah, it's looking rough. For this move up to not crack that high, that's kind of sketchy. Still holding the trend line break though. Hammers never fail. If only that was the case. Yeah. Man, I wish this thing would just come down. Just pull back, bro. Like, calm down. Pull back. Yeah. I was trying to fight off IPDM, but Trey kept bringing it in. I'm gonna have to start messaging you in the morning, HH. I was like, no. He was like, look at the volume. Uh, I'm saying I be struggling on my own. You supposed to be able to be backing me up. The 15 looks diabolical. Diabolical. Almost no volume on these last two red candles though. Yep, and that's the main box. Wow. Mm. Oh, okay. All right. That's true, Leon. That's true. And then like 2 hours later, George, he'll retract it. Bruh. That's okay. Yeah. Oh, oh, dang it, Uncle Paul. Dang it, Uncle Paul. What'd you get filled at, bro? Cause that thing nose dives, not nose dove down to 340 in a quick second. Man, Lord have mercy. There's your 350, HH. That's a nice 350 hole. uh, oh, you got it at 56? Oh, 54? That's good. Nice. I don't know if we can call it luck, Jack. I mean, you kind of do it like every day almost. Still in it. Bro, stop playing. Nah, you gotta be trolling at this point. It's holding up super nice, but it's actually pretty fire. But it needs to pull back, bro. I really, man, if this thing could do an email reset, it's gone, man. It's gone. It's over with. It's over with. We'll sell once you're down 3K. Man, bro. But why? Fish, 330s. Lower day is 333. Nah, he gotta be trolling, bro. Ain't no way he's averaging down right here. That looked nice right there, man. Can't do it though. Oh, the 15 like it too. 15 like it too. Oh, look at the one reset. Right. Uh-oh. Here we go. Mm. Yeah. Sounds like the makings of that. Yeah, right. Which I mean, Santa was using Tesla, which I think is a much better vehicle for that. The Titanic. Hold my little trend line though. It's magical. Yeah, this the ending volume right here. It's about to Tesla's your daily trade. ARTL to the downside. What a nasty looking chart today for ARTL. Just nasty. This guy need to come on down, test pre-market high or something. No, I'm totally fine with never buying up here. Like never trying a continuation up here like that. I'm totally fine with never doing that. You know, if I was gonna do that, I would have done it down here. You know, but like way up there, nah, bro. Nah, boy. I'll take the L. Ooh, new low a day. Down to 314. Good lord. Yeah, like this thing had to be over $4 for me to start thinking about it again. Yeah, you ain't lying. I mean, it ain't got no volume, but I mean, really, just pre-market. It just pre-market is enough to stay away from this chart. Oh man, nah, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. You gotta be trolling. It's got to be in the demo account. He's in the demo. Average 369 after all of that. Like, to get back to break even will be a miracle. Like, to get back to break even would be like, oh, thank God, you know? Like, it could happen. You might come back and test 375. Bro, it's got the entire day's volume overhead. Like, it's only like 5 other people who've interacted with this stock below this price today. You, Billy, Blake, Bob, and Brandon, plus Red Devil. Everybody else, they was up here buying it. Lonely. Oh yeah, bro. It's cooked. It's cooked, bro. Broke low a day and then came back and broke it again. This is a short seller's dream. He's watching the level 2 like, oh my God, another 3,000 shares just came through. Let's go. $314. I know, Trey. You should catch a knife. Like, oh, there goes another one. Oh. Ah, almost caught that one. Y'all crazy. Yo, BMNR, man. Yeah, this was a nice little. That thing was rolling. Bro, you're not gonna have nobody to sell your shares to in a minute, bro. I got these IPDN shares. He just got an email, Leon. Welcome to Professional Diversity Network. Please enclose this your member ID. When's the next board meeting, bro? Oh man, next week. Oh no 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 no! Wait, here's the reversal camera candle. Wow, 5% ownership. This thing is on a mighty downtrend. Mighty. Yeah. What's up, Isaac? Hey, we got insider news now. Hey, yo. Yo, we lit. Hit the like button, y'all. We got insider trading going on here. IPDN. We got the CEO, Red Devil. He's going to let us know when the pump's coming. Here we go. You heard it here first. Insider info. You talking about whoop? There it is, bro. Your average is 69, bro. This is where it is. It's a good number. Oh man. It's like negative 3,000 to negative 2,000. Yes. Uh, you know, you could have just bought here instead, right? Like you could have stopped out here and then just bought here. Yeah. Risk 4K to make $1.50. He talking about it's my last chance to get in. This was the first chance, bro. This was the first chance. he he already said next week, Rob. All right, here we go. The road to break even. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Need some intense music. We need some war drums. On his back. Oh man. This might be the last time to add to your short positions. Oh man. Man, BMNR reopened. Is that 27? 27.43. You still holding, Leon? That might have been it right there. We can get to 30. All right. Yeah. I mean, you know what? Stop under. You got to be in the 20s at this point. That's what's up. Got your 27. selling last bid at 30. Yeah, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Turn on books. Need some milk. Okay, hold on, man. $15 to 25. Yeah. I'm waiting, bro. It's looking better for sure. It's looking better for sure. It's got a lot of work to do though. All right, OG. It's not looking like it. Definitely not looking like it, OG. I don't see anything. I mean, unless Red Devil buys the rest of the company on IPDN and pumps it, I don't see it getting back to a place where I want to buy it. And BMNR is just like so far gone that it's just out of play for me. And this looks terrible. So, yeah, I don't think anything's popping. $4 more. I think it got 31 in it, man. Whoa. All right, man. Red Devil, you got to call it at. What is this? I don't know, man. I was waiting for this to resolve either way, but I just don't think anybody else wants to buy this thing. Yeah. Actually, I still don't even really believe you're in this thing at all. I hope not. Once the 15 broke the EMA, it's a super wrap. Fools like that. Red Devil, like it's coming right here. This is it right here. Super strong. Oh, he talking about being on. Wow, wow. Somebody said they was buying 313. Was that OG? Michael Don? I'm telling you, T-Lo. Can't leave until it's under three. Under three or over 369. That's kind of what I'm waiting to see resolve here. You're not buying it. Yeah, I'm really upset about this trade. This should have been a no trade day. Y'all don't let me criticize myself, but it's time. It is time. This highest volume candle of the day, red candle, rejection. I mean, the most massive rejection you could ever expect. The following candle was lighter on volume, but still, after this, it's a reset. Like, this is a trend killer. Like, it's over. So, I needed a higher high, higher low after that. I should have put this line over the top of this candle after that type of volume, which I would have lowered to here, and then here, and then here, and it would have just never triggered me in. So, yeah, I missed that one. But as far as mistakes, missing a disqualifier is on the lower end of terrible, egregious things to do. Yeah, I got to get better at that. Once I'm in the trade, I've let the money go already, so it's easier for me to just mind my stop. It's more difficult for me to raise my stop up, but I that is something I want to do when I feel like I've made a mistake. Yeah, but you know, other than that, not a terrible day. We still waiting on this guy. Did we get a new low of day? Looks like we did by 1 penny. It's not a strong move lower. I know, I just don't want the extra line on there, man. It just does something. What, Trey? You talking about VWAP? Nah, I hear you, Red Devil. It's definitely something I can improve on. Yeah, just having extra things, man. It just because I really didn't. It really didn't matter. It does look different under VWAP though, doesn't it? I also think I'm gonna go back to this. I don't know, man. I'm still unsure if he was in the position or not. I need to. What's the plan, bro? What's the plan, man? Are you just going to? I'm chilling too, man. Focus. You still in it? But based on what though? Like you telling me to look at the candles and how they be screaming and stuff? Like, is it the two? Let me check out the two. That's what it is. I'm on the wrong time frame. Two. The two is bullish. Okay. Let me get in close. It's here somewhere. Maybe it's over here. Let me check over here. Okay, no, no. Check it. No, no. He gets more bearish. Okay, here it is. Here it is. I know, bro, but you always use your standards to judge my strategy, so I figured it just works that way. We found the bullish area on the chart. 369, here we come. But you risk down to 313. Where we at? Oh dang. We was zooming in right here, bro. That was even the wrong spot. Nah, I mean, if I was really on my game today, this would have been a no trade day and everything would have been cool. But that's okay. And then there was just no other opportunities for me to right the wrong. And in that sense, I did good by not taking another trade. But yeah, I start at the open, man. I'm my trading window's 9:45 market time. I usually start the stream and right at 9:30, but I'm gonna try to do 9:15 tomorrow and going forward. Uh, yeah, I appreciate it, Leon. It's a good red day in that regard for sure. Not an egregious mistake, you know. How about them apples? What? Hold on, did I miss some? Yeah, nah, not really, man. I don't mess with pre-market too much. Um, Bro, how about them apples is for 376, 377 price range. Right now is the time for quiet reflection on what you've been doing this last hour, bro. Oh, my bad, the 2 minute. Okay, here we go. All right, this is it. Quiet reflection, bro. All right, here we go. This is the last hoorah. After this, if we get rejected, if we reject the EMA or this high over here, 350, it's a wrap. I know, bro, for sure. Focus. I see him. I see him all the time. Focus. I literally almost every morning have to talk myself down from trading pre-market. Like the earlier I get to my office, the harder it is. But the 90 EMA about to hit the 20 EMA. It's just the no stop losses is a problem for me. And I think that's pretty much the main issue. Um, yeah. And that's a problem too. Like you see how slippery the mind is. Um, I just look for. I like to get 2 to 1. I'm trying to get away from like trading to get that. I just kind of I believe that the strategy that I trade has an average outcome of 2 to 1 risk, and but I really want to get away from waiting to hit a price target to sell and try to be more selling because the chart says sell. Um, yeah, so I do fixed risk on every trade. So every trade right now I'm risking $100, and a good trade for me would be making $200 or more off of that trade. I don't know, man. I think you could have benefited from a fixed loss today, Red Devil. I don't think this stop loss of the mind benefited you at all. I'm pretty sure you said stop loss in place after you took the position in the beginning. So I'm assuming you took that stop loss out of place, probably because you needed to add more. Yeah, but that's what I mean, HH, on not waiting for a target to sell, but selling, on the highs, selling at those spikes. I do pretty good at that. It's just a lot of times I want more, and that's when I don't do too good at that. Greed. Yeah, I mean greed, but just the belief of the potential outcome, like I mean, I guess that's greed, but if you expect a move to high of day, is it greedy waiting for it? Or is it waiting for your plan to play out? You know? But either way, I do want to sell more. I'd say this is the new support, eh? Yeah, that's what's up, man. The goal is just to be consistent, whatever you're doing. That's the actual difficult part, is to just be consistent. Most of this stuff works. It's just hard to do it consistently the same way every day, no matter what. Well, why though, bro? Because you don't want to accept the loss. It's got to be past 3 grand at this point, right? Yeah, you had your stop loss line in the sand, and then you had your $3,000 loss line in the sand, and now here we are at 326. Yeah, yeah, that's that. I have my days. I'm getting better at that overall, but I definitely have my days focused when I'm like I'm just not willing to accept a loss and I need one more trade. And almost always
that results in me losing another R. Almost always. It's just the thing about this trade, Red Devil, is I think you kind of had this illusion building of being a really high level trader, and trading this like that, it just violates a lot of high level principles that a lot of us aspire towards based on the books we've read and our mentors and people we follow on Twitter, stuff like that. So it just looks real bad. Yeah, like that was like, imagine if I did that. uh it's like, yeah, maybe the loss isn't that big of a deal in the scheme of things, like if you normally make half of that. But yeah, but I'm just talking about managing the trade that you entered in with the average initially of what, 380, and then now we're at 333. Come on, bro. That's a bad example for the kids. Hey kids, if you're watching, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Tell them, Trex. Don't be doing that, man. Before the news. Hey, how you do that? How you do that, though? What was the signs that this wasn't working? Yeah, I've been trying to get to my office at 6:30, which is 7:30 market time, and I enjoy it a lot, man. I get to go through my journal. Like today, I got here and went through my last red days and noticed that either I took a decent setup, but it didn't go anywhere because it was right at daily resistance, so the daily was terrible. Or I took a setup extended from the EMA, FOMO. Those are like my two issues right now. Most of the other dumb stuff is gone. This was pretty dumb today, though. Um, Buying after that candle. That's pretty dumb. Yeah, but what about all the other signs, bro? I guess that's the thing about the micro. That's why I don't like the one. Because you can get some bullish signals, or the two. You can get some little micro bull signals and start making decisions, but the higher time frames be like lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And then on the two, you be like, oh, it's going up. Whoop, there it is. And then the 15 is like lower high, big move down, flush, flush, lower high. So, you know, and then the thing about these is like, if you're trading something of like real value, you don't use past conduct. The whole reason you care about the 9 crossing the 20 is based on it doing it in the past. You should have cared about this prior level right here, because when it broke, it was gone. Levels matter, bro. I think we pulled G and Alien up earlier. Yeah, I think we did. Yep. Thing went straight up. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, bro. We all doing the same thing out here, man. We buying, based on things that we've seen happen before and we expect them to happen again, and then we buy and we hope that it goes in our direction. Otherwise we wouldn't buy it because we don't know it's going to. You didn't buy this knowing that it was going to drop another dollar, you know. You bought it with hopes that you would make, 30-40 cents a share, right? Yeah, that's all we got is the stop loss, man. Once we get in there, hope it don't get hit. But it didn't change, bro. Oh yeah, what's that? You buy it in the dips and you sell it in the rips. I've done that trick a few times, Wave Rider. Yeah, bro. Stop loss is law, man. Roger. Yeah, man. I used to do that trick quite a bit. It still works. It worked today really well. Still works. All right, here we go. He has a chance. That's what I mean. But like, you could have just sold it. Like you tell me when it's telling you that it ain't working. Like when it tried to go up here and got slizzapped, you know. And then now that it looks like it might be trying to do something, then you can buy back. You know. For real. Ah, dang. I went up to 28.99. You said you bought them on the lower end, but your average is 69, right? Oh, that's right. Yeah. My bad. I was up here. I'm looking at my entry. Yeah, this candle then. Yeah, this setup got to be hope at this point, right? Like, if this ain't hope, like, you can't even use hope no more. I'm actually banning you from being able to use the word hope. Let me see. Algo season at lunch. Yeah, that's definitely time for us to check out. Yeah. Well, win some, you lose some. If you average down, though, you might not live to trade another day. Hopefully, Red Devil's going to be all right. Yeah, pretty nasty. Man. Yeah, I'm sure he's kidding you guys. He's not. He's not really risking all that money on this. He's not. But anyway, not too terrible of a day. You guys got me thinking about VWAP. But I don't know, man. I don't want to. It's really not about VWAP. It doesn't have to be about VWAP. That could have been another clue, but what a mighty rejection to ignore right there. So, yeah, I can do that a little bit better. You know, I know, right? There is no stop. VWAP on the 1, not the 5. Interesting. Whoa. That's way different. Jeez. Yeah, well, we'll see. Mm. Yeah. Anyway, well, good luck, Red Devil. Hope you get the day you need, all that good stuff. Want everybody to win in here for sure. And yeah, I'll catch you guys out tomorrow, man. Peace. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button, please. Por favor. Need that subscribe too. Road to 1,000 subs. Help me out, y'all. Hit that sub, hit that like. All right. Peace.